Good morning, dear student. This is your science subject teacher, Miss Kaushalya Sharma. This is the third video of the chapter body movement. In the previous video, we read about parts of the skeleton, in which we are going to read about the skull, that it having consists of 22 bones, in which 8 are flat bones in the cranium or in the brain box called, and the 14th are going to be found in the face. So facial bones, total 22 bones, and the backbone is going to be consist of 33 small rings, which together form vertebra, and together columns of vertebra is going to be joined, and it form spine, which protect the spinal cord. After that, rib cage, it protect the internal organs or delicate organs in our body, either it was lungs or heart. After that, limbs are going to be having of two pairs, that is forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs is going to be consist of 3 bones, in which the longest one is called humerus, and the smallest 2 bones are called radius and ulna. After that, leg bones, in which the longest bone is called femur, and the 2 other bones are called tibia and fibula. Now the rest portion is the girdles. Girdles are also having 2 types, and they are having in a pair. The first one is shoulder girdle, and the second one is hip girdle. So shoulder girdle is this one, which is going to be attached by the collarbone, which is just near to your neck. You can touch it and understand. And after that, small flip like structure, that is called shoulder girdle. After that, our upper arm, that is called humerus, is going to be attached from here. After that, our hip girdle is having just a figure of this kind of figure, which is going to be consist of 2 hip girdles, and the lower bone is going to be attached by the thigh bone or the femur. After that, human body and its movement. As human body is going to be performed into a multiple of direction, so they are going to be moved from one place. From flexibility, it is only due to of joints. So what is joints? Joints is the place where 2 or more bones are joined. It's called joints. And in the previous classes, we know that the joint bones are joined through a tough, flexible, elastic tissue called ligament. So bone to bone ligament, and bone to muscles, cartilage, are going to be joined with this. After that, types of joint. We are going to know about types of joint. We are having some of the joint. The first one is immovable or fixed joint. Immovable or fixed joint is a type of joint which is going to be fixed at a place, and it is slightly immovable, or it is not going to be movable. Only the lower jaw is going to be movable, which is going to we read about in the previous video. After that, slightly movable joint is going to be present in our vertebra, as we can lift slightly like this. Our vertebra is going to be move like this, but this movement is only of slightly or in the small amount. So this is called the slightly movable joint, which is going to be shown by the vertebra. Now the next video which I am going to make, in which we are going to read about the free movable joint. For today, thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you.